Composition of the Earth. Do you know that the planet Earth initially was a barren, rocky, and hot object with a thin atmosphere of hydrogen and helium? This is far from the present day picture of the Earth. Hence, there must have been some events, processes which may have caused this change from rocky, barren, hot Earth to a beautiful planet with ample amount of water and conducive atmosphere favoring the existence of life. As on the screen, you can see this is the picture of the early Earth. How it looked like. See, it is hot in nature. It is rocky and it is also barren. Barren means it had no vegetation at all, as compared to the Earth today. You can see there are oceans and so full of vegetation. The land is so full of the vegetation, and additionally, what about the atmosphere? See, the composition of the early atmosphere, what constitutes the major portion of the atmosphere is the carbon dioxide, accompanied by water vapor and traces of nitrogen, ammonia, methane, hydrogen, helium. And what about the Earth's atmosphere today? See, the major portion is constituted by what gas? The nitrogen. But there is a presence of oxygen, and without oxygen we know that we cannot survive. This is the difference between the main difference between the early atmosphere and today's atmosphere. Additionally, if I ask you that when did the life started to evolve on the planet Earth, it was 4600 million years ago. All right. The Earth has a layer structure from the outermost end of the atmosphere to the center of the Earth. The material that exists is not uniform. The atmospheric matter has least density. See, you can see Earth has a layer structure. Now, whether be it the atmosphere or whether be it the interior of the Earth, you can see the Earth atmosphere. It is also layered in nature. Exosphere, thermosphere, etc. And the composition of each layer is also not uniform. Similarly, what about the interior of the Earth? We know that the outermost layer is the crust, then comes the mantle, and then comes the core. The material of all these layers, it is also not uniform in nature. The Earth has a layer structure from the outermost end of the atmosphere to the center of the Earth. The material that exists is not uniform. The atmospheric matter has least density. See, the density of the atmosphere is least, and the material which is present inside the interior of the Earth, they are denser in nature as compared to the material or the elements present in the Earth's atmosphere. From the surface to the deeper depths, Earth's interior has different zones. We have already seen the zones of the Earth, inside the Earth, like the crust, mantle, and the core. And each of these contains materials with different characteristics. So I have already told you that the material which exists in the interior of the Earth or the atmosphere, they are not uniform.